Okay, good.
Canvas color.
I know, you're just skinny. You look skinny. You look sexy. Okay, today we're going to go over putting the new bellows on this Alpha One Sterndrive. Now this method will work whether you have the Gen 1 or the Gen 2. You can tell the difference between the two by the thickness here. A Gen 1 is going to be about half of this. But we're going to get into this and we're going to get this bellow on so we can get less exhaust noise when we're out cruising.
Kinda loud.
Kinda loud. So y'all stay tuned for that. And also, if you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there. And subscribe. Or just carry on through the video and subscribe and like later.
But like us.
So when you're down here looking at the exhaust port that comes out of the boat, right here, you'll notice it's oval. And this thing right here is round. Let's see, round. So we're going to get a circle over an oval. Now I might have to move this light out of the way. But what I found is there is a metal with like teeth on it. You get that side on as far as you can in there on the oval, and then you pull the other side over. And you notice I don't have any of the clamps on right now. And you can stick your fingers inside to help push it over the oval thingy. And there it goes. So if you see, it's now on and it's all the way pushed up as far as I can. I've reached inside here and it's touching where this first groove is. So that's as far as it's going in. Now I'm going to I have my clamps expanded out large enough where I can slide it over the pipe, the exhaust port. Now I'm going to put the tightening at the top because that gives me the most room on this goofy thing. I'm going to slide it all the way in. Okay, so this was a real challenge. I need to get me a camera light. This was a real challenge. So it may be the same hardness to put it on with it as it is slide that over, but I had to really wrench down in this very tight space. You see there's not much room, and what would really help is probably an extension with a pivot on it. That way I could get right in there. Didn't have one. So I worked with what I had, and now I'm going to pull it. It is not moving, so hopefully that is good. Now let's put the other side on. Now when I put this on my Sterndrive, I'm going to put this hose clamp facing this way. This should give me the most direct path through here so I can use the extension, and yeah, that should do it. So I'm going to lower the Sterndrive a bit and get this on here. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to rig up this zip tie right here. I'm going to put additional zip ties through it, and then I'm going to tie a string or a wire to it and pull this up towards the other portion of the bellow, because I just don't have enough space to get through here. So I'm going to put one of these on this side, one on the other side, then I'm going to pull that center zip tie out, and I'm going to leave enough space. How I got this zip tie in is I just pulled this out and flattened this down so I could get it over and then lift it up so I could get it under. So let's see if this works. If it does, yay me, because right now it is really hard. And I'm going to leave links to this boot in there, this Exhaust Bellow, in the link down below, and also some zip ties. But this one has this little clip here. This little clip on this other side helps hold it in place. So when you're putting it on, very needed, because I don't even think I could have got that side on without that little clip. So if you see here, I've almost got the bellows in place. You have to really etch it in the top there to get to go over that. And you may not need to grab as many loops as I did here, but it really gives me a lot of working room without using having an extra set of hands. So once you have everything in place, it turns out really well. And then you want to take a pair of wire dikes and you want to cut that black tie, or the tie wrap you have, around the bellows. Don't cut these, it'll make it hard to get the other tie wrap off. Once you have the black or the tie wrap around the bellows cut off, you simply pull this out. First I have to undo all the wiring. And then it pulls the tie wrap I had around the bellows out. And it is installed. Good to go. It's not going anywhere, it's stretching. And we didn't use any of the tools or had to take apart the Sterndrive to do it. Now I do have to get a bolt here, or a nut. That's another thing my mechanic lost. So just one more thing. Well, that was just fun. We got the bellows installed, and it only takes one person to do it. You don't need that special tool, nor do you have to take off the Sterndrive.
I didn't help at all.
She did. It was moral support.
He's getting a good dinner though.
I am. And y'all be sure to check out diningwithdanielle.com. New recipes released weekly. And that's what she's cooking in there right now.
Dinners, sides, sauces, baking. I do it all.
And hopefully this video was helpful for you if you're trying to get that bellows on and you worked up an appetite. Go check out the website. Get you some good grub. And also check out.
Not for me, but
Well, you have the steps to make the grub.
right.
So check out that, and also go check out some more of the videos we did on this boat. So not only did we install a bellows, but we started a boat, we put a new bimini on it, we put a new floor in it, we put a new boat in it. It is a new boat.
It is.
We just replaced everything. So y'all check that out, and please like this video. Love bugs. It looks like this, it's down there, not the love bugs. Subscribe.
They like to land on you.
They do. This is love bug season in Florida. It is horrible. The inside of the boat, that brand new kiwi paint we put down, is just covered in love bugs.
Right.
So we're gonna go do some more cleaning. Y'all have a good time, and please take care.
Bye.
Ow. Ow.
Why is there so much stuff everywhere? Ah!